Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So in this video we will see how to create dashboard in Salesforce. So in this video we will see what is dashboard. Then using a scenario I will show you how to create a dashboard. Then we have two types of dashboard in Salesforce, static dashboard and then dynamic dashboard. After that we will see how to add dashboard on homepage in Salesforce. So watch the video till end and don't miss any topic. After that you can also create dashboard and get an idea how to add dashboard in homepage. And if you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you will get notification when we post any new video. First we will see what is dashboard in Salesforce. In simple words, a dashboard in Salesforce is a graphical representation of the Salesforce records which we can arrange according our requirements. Then in the dashboards we can create charts which displays graphical representation of records and reports in visual format and also make it easier to identify trends and insights of Salesforce data. After that, dashboard is also used to track and monitor various business metrics such as sales performance, lead generation, customer service metrics and marketing campaign. Then dashboard can be stored in folders and share with users, role or groups based on access permission. Now here is very important thing to create dashboard. The chart component that we use in dashboard that only enable two or more grouping fields in report, so that we can only use summary report and matrix report to create dashboard. So without any delay, let's create dashboard. For that, jump to the Salesforce org. Now first we need to navigate dashboard. For that, click on app launcher and search for dashboard. Here you can see, here we have dashboard option, click on it. Now here you will see recent dashboard that you already created. To create new dashboard, here you can see, here we have new dashboard option. And if you want to create new folder, here we also have new folder option. So first I will show you by creating tabular report whether we can use in dashboard or not. And to create a report, we need to navigate reports tab. So on the sales application, we already have report tab. Click on it and then click on new report. Now here we need to select report type on which object we want to create a report. So here I will search for the leads. Here you can see, here we have leads option, click on it and then click on start report. Now first we need to remove default filters so that we can see all the data. For that, here you can see show filter by scope. Here we need to remove this and then set the create date filter to all time. Now first we need to understand what is tabular report. The tabular report is the simple row and column format. That means there should not have any group column in tabular report. So here I am not doing anything and then simply click on save button to save the report. Here I am entering report name, test, dashboard. Here you should enter appropriate name. Here I have entered test dashboard because of only your acknowledgement. Then click on report unique name. It will automatically populate because it's an API name. Then here you can select folder. By default it's a private folder. If you want to save this report in a different folder, here you can select new folder. Here I am saving in private report folder and then click on save. Now we successfully created test dashboard report. Now we will check by using this report whether we can create dashboard or not. For that, navigate to the dashboard tab and then click on new dashboard. Now first we need to enter dashboard name. So here I am entering dashboard demo. Here also you can select folder as per your requirement and then click on create. Now we need to add charts in this dashboard. For that, click on this icon. Now here you can see, here we have charts or table, then text and then image. Here we need to select chart or table. Now here you will see all the reports that you created in the reports tab. So here we recently created test dashboard. Here I am selecting this one and then click on select button. Now here you can see, here we only have lightning table chart is available. Except this chart, all other charts are disabled. Now that means using a tabular report, we can only create the lightning table in the dashboard. Except lightning table, we cannot create any chart using tabular report. So here I am closing this. And then again navigate to the reports. Now again I am opening the test dashboard report. And now we will convert this report to the summary or matrix report. For that, when we want to create summary report, we need to group any row or column. So here I am editing this one. And then I will group this report by lead source. So as you scroll this, here we have lead source. To group by the lead source, here you can see, here we have drop down icon, click on it. And then here we have option group rows by this field, click on it. Now here we have 7 records where we didn't select any lead source, then scroll down. Then we have 3 records which generated from the web, and then 5 records of phone inquiry. Now we successfully converted tabular report to the summary report. So let's save this report and then again navigate to the dashboard. Here we already created dashboard demo, open it and then click on edit. Now again click on this widget icon and then click on charts or table. Now again select test dashboard report which we recently converted to the summary report and then click on select. Now here you can see among this chart we have some charts enabled, but still 2 charts are disabled. I will explain this later, but for now some of charts are enabled. So to create the dashboard, so here I will select vertical bar chart. As you scroll down, here you can select axis which is lead source on the x-axis and then record count on y-axis. Then on the display units, if you uncheck this value will be disappear. And again as you check this one, show values, now you can see the record count on particular bar. Then you can also customize the y-axis range. Now here we also have sort by option. If you want to sort record by the record count, click on it and now here you can see the record is sorted by the record count. Then again scroll down. You can also enter the subtitle and then here we have 2 themes, light theme and then dark theme. As I click on it, here you can see the background of chart is now dark. And now to create the dashboard, we need to click on add button. Here you can see the dashboard is successfully added on the Canva. Now again click on the save button. Now we will convert that summary report into the matrix. For that again navigate to the reports tab. Then open the test dashboard report. Then click on edit. And now to convert summary report into the matrix report, we need to create report group by the column and rows also. So here we already created group by rows. Now we need to create group by columns. So here I will select rating field, click on the drop down and now here we have option group column by this field. As you click on this, now the matrix report has been successfully created. The video link of how to create tabular, summary and matrix report I have given in description box. You can go through it. So you will understand concept of all types of reports. Now here I am saving this one and again navigate to the dashboard. Again here we need to select save and close. And now we are on the dashboard tab. Again open the dashboard demo dashboard. Click on edit. And now here you can see here we have pencil icon, click on it. And now before converting summary report to the matrix report, we don't have these 2 charts enabled. Now after converted to the matrix report, these 2 charts also now enabled. So if you want to use stack horizontal and vertical bar chart, you always need to matrix report. So in this way we can create dashboard in Salesforce. You can also use different chart to create dashboard. For that again click on this pencil icon. And now here we are using matrix report. For that all charts we can use. So as I click on this stack horizontal bar chart, here you can see the dashboard preview. If you want to change this chart to the donut chart, here you can see we have donut chart, click on it. And here you can see the donut chart preview. So in this way you can select chart type as per your requirement. And by using this type of charts helps us to visualize changing business condition. So we can make decision based on our real-time data that we have gathered with reports. And now to save these changes, click on update. And now here you can see the dashboard chart type has been successfully changed. To save the changes, click on save button. Now let's move to the another topic. So we have 2 types of dashboard, static dashboard and then dynamic dashboard. A static dashboard is a type of dashboard that shows the same set of data and information to the all users. So what is it means? For example, 3 users working on same profile and also they have same set of permissions. Now one of them user have created this dashboard and saved it to the public folder. Now when the another user log into the Salesforce org and open this created dashboard, they can also see the same information as the created user can see. Now that means this information is fixed. So let's jump to the presentation. And now here you can see fixed data source and shared view. Now let's understand the dynamic dashboard. The dynamic dashboard displays data based on the logged in security settings and data access permissions. Now what is it means? For example, there are two users with different profiles and they also have the different permission set. Now one of them user have created the dashboard. Now the user who created that dashboard, they can see the information in the dashboard as the permission they have. Now let's understand the another user scenario. When the another user logged into the Salesforce org and open that dashboard, that user can also see the information in the dashboard as the security settings and data permission he has. Now for example, first user has more access than the second one. So the first user can see more information than the second one. So these are two types of dashboard in Salesforce. So the dashboard that we recently created, this one is the static dashboard. Now we will understand how to create dynamic dashboard in Salesforce. So for that, again navigate to the dashboard tab. Then click on new dashboard button. Now here I am entering name, dynamic dashboard. And in the folder you need to select public folder, because when you save the reports or dashboard in the private folder, those reports and folders are not visible to the other users. So here I am selecting another folder. Here I already created public dashboard folder. I am selecting this one and then click on select folder. Now to create the dashboard, click on create button. Again click on widget icon and then click on charts or table. Now here also we need to select the report that you saved in the public folder. So the lead status report I saved in the public folder. Here I am selecting this one and then click on select button. So this one is the summary report. For that, this two chart type is not visible. So here I am selecting vertical bar chart and then click on add button. Now to create the dynamic dashboard, here you can see, here we have gear icon, click on it. And then as you scroll down, here you can see, here we have option view dashboard as. Now by default, when you save the dashboard, the view dashboard as always me. Now when you select the another person, here you need to specify the other user, so that all user can see the report as per the selected user perspective. Now here we have third option, the dashboard viewer. When you select this option and save the dashboard, after that another user who logged into the Salesforce org and open this dashboard, they can also see this dashboard information as the permission they have. So to create dynamic dashboard, in the view dashboard as, we need to select the dashboard viewer and then click on save. And that's it. We successfully created dynamic dashboard in Salesforce. So we have seen what is dashboard. Then using scenario, we have created new static dashboard. Then I also explain what is static dashboard and then dynamic dashboard. After that, I have demonstrated how to create dynamic dashboard. Now we will understand how to add dashboard on the home page. For that, let's jump to the org. So to add dashboard on the home page, we need to navigate setup page. For that, click on gear icon and then click on setup. Then in the quick find box, search for the app builder. Here you can see under the user interface, we have Lightning app builder. Click on it. Now here I am creating new Lightning page. For that, click on new button. Now we need to add dashboard on the home page. For that, here we need to select home page and then click on next. Enter label dashboard home page and then click on next. Here you can select any standard UI. Here I am selecting standard home page and then click on done. So to add the dashboard on this home page, in the component we need to search for the dashboard. Here you can see under the standard option we have dashboard. Now what you need to do, you need to drag this and drop this component where you want to place dashboard. So here I am dropping here. And now here you can see we have here dashboard option. And here we need to select the dashboard which we want to place on the home page. Here I am selecting dynamic dashboard. Click on it and then click on save. After saving the Lightning page, we need to activate this. For that, click on this activate button. And now here we have three options: org default, app default, and then app and profile. Here I am selecting app default and then click on assign to apps. Now here we need to select on which application's home page we want to add the dashboard. So here I am selecting sales and then click on next and then save. So activation successful. Again click on save and then navigate to the sales homepage. Now here you can see the homepage and the dashboard that we added. So if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you.